What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we will be looking at the Air Jordan 6 Gatorade Be Like Mike. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so here is the Air Jordan 6 Gatorade Be Like Mike box. It is a different Jordan's box, Jordan 6 box. As you can tell, we have the Gatorade colours of the orange and the green on the front, with the green being the Jumpman. Over on the sides, just the same, but the bottom is still the same cement colorway. We picked up a size 11 from our Foot Locker store. 3 stores in the whole of Melbourne got pairs. Yeah, 3 stores in Melbourne got pairs. So let's lift the lid open. This is a collaboration was between Michael and Gatorade in 1991, when Gatorade first endorsed him as their first, I don't know what you call it. They endorsed him as their first ambassador, or should I say like that, to use Gatorade and drink it during his games. So here we have the nice upper nubuck in the orange, team orange. We've got the nice leather in the white around the shoe. We've got the custom lace holders, whatever you want to call them. Got the tongue, I don't know, yeah, tongue, yeah, with Jumpman on it in the green and orange. Just like that. On the bottom, green Jumpman again. On the other side, just repeated colours. Very nice. And on the other side, which is a bit more interesting, is this is the right shoe, and this has the tag in the Gatorade colours. Here is it. It's the orange blends in with the yellow with the Jumpman and Air engraved in it. Very nice touch, very different to normal Jordan 6s that release. The UNC's had a blue one, I think, maybe, not sure. So let's get into the fine details. On the back we have Air Jordan, like Air, and then Jumpman again in white on the rear. Over at the top, just move that out of the way, we have Jordan on the tongue, and in the inside we have "If Could Be," quote from himself. Getting a focus on those details there. I'll get close of the leather. The leather's really nice. We've got the nubuck orange, which adds a very cool feature to the shoe, as you can see. All in all, it's a very nice shoe. You've done a great job on it. For hype or demand, there was hype getting built around it. There was people thinking it's one of the best Jordans of the year. For me, I just like the shoe in general. I think it's a very nice shoe. It's got very good colours, they work well, and it was part of the Gatorade Be Like Mike collection. So I ended up picking up the shorts and pants as well. No, shorts and pants. The shorts and t-shirt as well to match the sixes. So that would be really cool to rock all together. So yeah, this is the Jordan 6 Gatorade Win Like Mike. No, Be Like Mike. Not Win Like Mike. Be Like Mike. Collaboration. So we'll now get on to the on-foot looks.